A century from Andre McCarthy has former champions Melbourne CC on the cusp of first innings honours against Michael University at the Melbourne Oval after the opening day of the fourth round action from the two-day JCA Senior Cup. Melbourne, in their first innings response to 242, were 231 for 4 at the close, with McCarthy 139 from 124 balls. He struck 16 fours and 6 sixes in his effort and received support from captain Javel Glenn, who made 47 with 8 fours and a 6. Michael Frew will resume with McCarthy on 15. Earlier, former youth representative Brandon English made an even 100 in Michael's total. Fitzroy Hunter chipped in with 37 against 3 wicket hauls for Matthew Comrie and Shemar Davis. English registered 10 fours and a 6.
I've been batting well throughout the season, so all I did was try to stay positive as normal and just play the ball on its merit and try to make some runs for the team. She is unbelievable. I'm still in disbelief, but I'm getting the feeling of it. It's a very young team, to be honest. A lot of people underestimate us because we are college students, but all we have to do is play the cricket as we all know, and we'll be victorious for sure.
Jamaica Defence Force hold the advantage over Portland in their encounter. The JDF were dismissed for 244 with 67 from Dietmar Anderson against Darren Walker 4 for 64. Despite 71 from Robert Ware, Portland limped to the close at 128 for 9. And defending champions St. Catherine CC were wobbling at 65 for 4 in their first innings reply to 229 all-out made by Clarendon.